is going to be a get ready with me. The last time I did a get ready with me video was for my birthday, and today happens to be my mom's birthday, so I guess I'm doing get ready with me videos on birthdays now. In this video I achieved this look, and I hope that you guys like it. It wasn't planned. I just started messing around with different colors here and there, and this is what came out. So if you guys want to see how you can achieve this look, please keep watching. Okay, so first things first, you always want to moisture the skin. I moisturize with this new cream that I started using. That's done. I usually want to go like that, just to make sure that it goes into my pores. Okay. I am going to be using the Double Wear Estee Lauder foundation. Okay, so the next step for me is going to be my eyebrows. So I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Ebony. So now I'm going to conceal with the Shape Tape by Tarte. Okay, so now we're gonna start with eyeshadows. I'm gonna use a Too Faced Christmas collection eyeshadow. My friend gave me this for Christmas, and I love it. So I'm gonna go straight in with this cutie pie, and I'm gonna do Fa La La. Okay, so Fa La La, I'm gonna dip it in there. I'm gonna start on the bottom, right on the crease. Blending it inwards. And making sure that I'm not making a mess over here. Blending, blending. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna bring in some plum pudding according to this. Somewhere over here, I think I'm tapping the right one. Okay, so with the same brush, I'm gonna go to plum pudding and also bring it into the crease, but more to the middle. Okay, bring it in. Okay, and now I need the gold. So I'm gonna put in some gold here, but I'm gonna start off with like a little bit of white. Oh, I'm a mess. When I'm doing my makeup, I just get all over the place. I'm gonna use this cute, I don't know if you can see how the angle is. It's like a cute little pointy angle brush. And I'm just gonna grab my Sephora, super old. I hardly ever like contour too much, so I don't use this a lot. Contouring going on. So now I'm gonna grab the same palette that I started using at first. I am going to, almost done. The look is looking good. So now I'm going to grab my Anastasia Beverly Hills from Nicole Guerrero line Glow Kit. And as I mentioned to you guys, I'm gonna be doing that white. Sorry, I'm looking for a brush. I use this one. This one's from e.l.f. Love it. So I'm gonna grab Forever Lit, which is like pretty much my favorite one. Like it's my favorite one. The other ones I just use them because I don't wanna like have like this one empty and all of them like super full. Yeah, I know I'm ridiculous because I'm doing white inner corner eyes when I have like a gold look. But I'm going to blend it in with a little gold. I'm going to Glow Getter and now I'm going to grab my Amazonian Clay Tarte. Is it Amazonian Clay? I don't know. It's an eyeliner. I'm going to put it into my waterline just to make the eyes pop, stand out a little more. But that's not all that I'm doing here, you guys. So this little trick is really good because I've noticed a huge difference in my pictures when I do this and when I don't do this. So the important thing about this eyeliner is this side that has a little smudger. So you're going to go down here and apply very little eyeliner and smudge it. And try to take it inwards a little bit. And then push it off. You can also do this with eyeshadow. I'm gonna go do my hair and I will be back with you guys in a second. So then now I am going to grab this little brush, this cute little unicorn brush that I have. It's like a no brand. I don't even know where I got it from, but I am gonna grab, I don't know which one I want to do. If Forever Lit, which is, as you guys know, my favorite, or Glow Getter. I think I'm gonna do Forever Lit. Okay, and same here. Okay, and I am actually gonna grab some Glow Getter and do it on top. I feel that it's too white. So I'm gonna go with my fingers and clean off to sharpen it a little bit. I should have done it with a thinner brush. And then I'm gonna grab this cute, oh my god, I love it. It's so smooth, from the Tarte Unicorn line. And lastly, with the Kat Von D translucent locket powder, I am going to go all over my face. Very lightly. Get rid of any excess highlighting or blood. And lastly, from the Kat Von D line locket, I'm gonna spritz. Yeah, I know, I do a lot. I love it. Feels good. Whoa, that last one was not good. And I'm gonna be a queen now. This is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I rambled a little bit through here and there, but I tried to cut off most pieces that I could. Sorry if I made this video a little long. What else can I tell you guys? Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions or you have any comments, and I'll see you guys later.